Assalamualaikum and very good morning. Today I would like to explain how we actually combine Scorm file that have been published using either iSpring suite or Articulate. Combine those Scorm files using Reload Editor. So as you can see, I have these 4 Scorm files published using iSpring based on EPSA or Intan format. The file name the LO0, 1, 2, 3. So first thing first, I just need to extract all this Scorm file into their respective folder. Okay, LO0, LO1, LO2, and last but not least, LO3. So I have my Scorm file being extracted into their respective folder already. So I have 0, 1, 2, 3. So from now I need to get only from each of these folder. I just need to get the rest folder. The rest I don't need. I just need the rest folder. So I just cut and go to the parent folder space. This one is from LO0, so I name it as res0. And this one, the next one is from res1, from LO1, so I name this as res1. And then this is from LO2. I name this as paste first, and then I rename it as res2. And then LO3, I paste and rename as res3. So I have 4 of my res folder from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. I don't need the rest of this folder, so I just delete this. So I just need res 0, 1, 2, 3. Okay. Next, we open the Reload Editor. So just go to File, New, okay, New, ADL Scorm 1.2. And then I browse to the folder where all those files just now located, which is this folder. Just open, just click on that folder. Just click on that folder and select. They will automatically populate these res 0, 1, 2, 3 things. Okay, now I can see I have res 0, 1, 2, 3. And then the Reload Editor will automatically click all these files that you need in order for Scorm to work. Okay, next will be I have to create organization. Under add organization. So organization, this organization will be the topic lah, the name of your content. Like this one is a say kursus EPSA. This is my content name. Then from there, create item. I have to create 4 items because I have 4 LO item. So first item, I shall name it the same as the LO0. So the one is maklumat khusus. Okay, the second item I name as LO1. exactly the same as the other one, which is program keselamatan dan kesihatan. I just put there the short one lah, because I don't need to put all. Actually, the names supposed to be the same as the topic title, and then LO3 will be the LO2 actually. Is it LO2 will be activity, and then last but not least penghargaan. So I have all this item ready. Next thing, under resources, click on the resources, and then click on this left pane, click on the index, and then just drag to resources one by one. Press 1 from 0, 1, and then from 2, and then from 3. I have my things ready now. The next step will be, for this, each of this, I have to define the for this item, I have to define reference element, which is that one is belong to res 0. Okay, and this one is meant for res 1, and the activity meant for res 2. Penghargaan meant for res 3. Next thing is I have to click on the resources. Just change the Scorm type to score. 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 And score. That's all. The rest all good. The rest, yeah, I have to do just leave it as default. Score. Once I'm done, just click save, and then I can just click close. So go back to the folder. What I need to do now, select the res 0 folder, res 1 folder too, until all the way to this file, imsd, and then create a new zip. This is our new Scorm combined zip file. Just click send to compressed zip folder. Say this file, we can rename it as my first Scorm reload editor. I just put it as a name file. That's all. So if you want to see how it looks, I can just copy and paste anywhere. And then I can just extract this one just to view, just to show how it would look like when we upload to the LMS. Okay, we done. So that's my Scorm file. Okay, that's all.